What I really like is that I can see the status from my phone, what's happening and what are the actual real-time situation in the warehouse operations. Tammer Brands is the international wholesale company. We are offering to our customers over 50 different brands, from household products to the products which will bring joy and benefit to end customers' life. So we were using the ERP-related WMS, but started to face the issues with the effectivity with the processes.
We had to take all the small orders, make them manually one picking list, pick the products, take it to the separate area and sort all the orders manually. We couldn't see how much we have workload. We have delays. We had problems with the visibility of the production. We need to make manually lots of different Excels, adding information in different programs and put it together to see where we really are.
Why we selected Bitlog and not any of the competitors? One reason was definitely the modern way how Bitlog has been built and how it looks like. What I really like is that I can see the status from my phone, what's happening and what are the actual real-time situation in the warehouse operations. And the attitude which was coming through the people with whom we were talking during the selection process. The feeling what we got from the Bitlog was that now we are talking with the company who would like to develop together with us and is eager to develop the product better and better and better. That Bitlog really wants to develop, really wants to focus the WMS and be one of the best in the WMS processes and warehouse processes.
Really professional developing team. We wanted to improve the scanners and we managed to do the changes in 2 weeks with the Bitlog.
Things what we can see now is that we are more effective in picking, we are more effective in the incoming, and we have been able to give more responsibility for the workers from the supervisors, and also grouping automatically the backlog orders. We have automated a lot of things. For example, the orders coming to be picked. So all orders are coming automatically from our ERP to Bitlog based on the dates for when to pick.
Before we could pick only one order per time, now we can pick up to 24 orders per time. We have better visibility straight away to production. Our supervisor can walk in production, use iPad, and that way be in production to help the people working. I really like the user interface. It's really easy to use, and when we get new people, it's really fast to start working with the Bitlog. Also, the delays are gone. Now we don't need to wait printing or how the Wi-Fi is working with the WMS.
I really like the tool. Our workers like the tool. So it's the user-friendliness which is raising up, and also the simplified processes which are behind the Bitlog logic. There is enough features, but there is not too much. It's easy to use, there is a logic how it works.
We get now much faster orders in the production, and we also managed to lower the freight cost because we have much more better consolidation between the orders. We get much more focus developing our own way of doing works, where we warehouse the product, how we pick the product, and how we can help our customer needs and demands.